morning. Now I am telling about my all-day long activities. Actually, I get up between 5 and 6 in the morning. Then I go to the washroom and get fresh. Next, I say my prayer. After that, I get ready to go for a morning walk. Getting back home, I take my breakfast. Next, completing it, I get ready to go to my school. In the evening, I usually visit around the town. Sometimes I try to play badminton with my friends. In the weekend, I make a tour. Before sunset, I get back home. Getting back home, I get fresh. Next, taking a cup of tea, I start my homework. Completing it, at night, I enjoy television along with my parents. Next, we all of our family members have supper together. Completing it, I go to my personal room and start my personal job. Next, I go to bed, and that's all.
Speaking today, focusing brilliantly